Hi everybody, it's me, Tuxedo Mask, Darien here, and today I'm going to talk about why we're not going to be getting Microsoft Windows 10. Now, in case you don't know, Microsoft has come up with a new operating system, Microsoft Windows 10. Now, according to every Windows, they try to upgrade, to change the way the desktop looks like, or change the way where all the icons and the attachments and, I don't know, stuff goes. They try to change where they put all the programs and all the files to everything at, and all the folders. But really, at the end of the day, they all pretty much operate the computer the same way, except for example, ever since Microsoft Windows Defender was introduced and that was introduced in Microsoft Windows Vista. But after that, there really isn't any much difference to any of the operating systems, except with Microsoft Windows 8 and Microsoft Windows 8.1, where you have the blue start menu screen. But the green start menu screen that I basically don't use, and the thing is, it's not going to be that much different from what the trailer shows. Yes, the desktop is different. Yes, the icons are in their same places. Yes, the little icons are in the same places. It pretty much looks the same, with everything looking gray, I'm pretty sure that all the folders where all the programs and files are stored are in the same places, Nothing really anything different except maybe how it starts up, That's about it, probably. So, no, I'm not going to be getting Microsoft Windows 10. Now, for people who have either Microsoft Windows 7, Microsoft Windows 8, or Microsoft Windows 8.1, you have the option of going into your update page and clicking on your reserving Microsoft Windows 10. And then on July 29th, Microsoft then gives everybody the files that they can install to get the new operating system for free. For those who choose to do it, good for you. Now, that means any new computer that's being made by anybody is going to have Microsoft Windows 10 as well, and they're going to be selling the disk drivers as well. The driver disks as well. But the truth is, they didn't really do anything different with 10. It's not like they came up with any new feature that they haven't really come up with. I mean, okay, you might say, oh, Microsoft Windows Vista introduced in Microsoft Windows Defender. True, but that was it. And pretty much after Microsoft Windows 7, 8, and Microsoft Windows 8 and Microsoft Windows 8.1, where they introduced the whole green start menu thing. But that was about it. Beyond that, there really wasn't any major differences, except what your toolbar looked like, or what your icons looked like, or what the desktops looked like. Pretty much everything pretty much looked the same, except they might change, like instead of seeing I don't know, Microsoft Corporation loading up, or instead of saying Windows starting, it just might have black, and then go to your lock page for your account password. But regardless of all that, they haven't really do anything different with it. There isn't any new features that are added to it. The only new feature they come up with is they say it uploads faster, it runs faster. Now, would say that is true. But what if somebody has Microsoft Windows Vista, Microsoft Windows 7, Microsoft Windows 8, and Microsoft Windows 8.1, and they run the computer fast anyway, that they load up fast anyway, It all has to do with the memory of the computer and, and how much stuff that Windows has to load, or all the things that Windows has to load itself when Windows is loading itself. So apparently there's going to be people who are just going to jump and get Microsoft Windows 10 all because it's new and not because it's going to be useful to them or their computer. You know, there are people out there just upgrade for the hell of upgrading. They don't research, they upgrade. They don't see if the upgrade will be useful to them in the long run. All they do is they want to have whatever is new, you know. Even if they don't understand it, and even if it's not going to be helpful to them. Personally, Microsoft Windows 8.1 is running this computer pretty good, just the way it was running it when I first got it. Okay, there's no need for me to uninstall and put a new operating system in there. Okay, just because it's going to look gray, and just because the toolbar and the icons and the desktops are going to be all organized differently, and just because they're going to reorganize where all the files and programs go, no big deal, you know. That's it. I'm Tuxedo Darien. Hope you enjoyed this video.